Well, good morning, everyone. It's Friday Junior, Thursday morning, and man, am I looking forward to this weekend. Cooler weather and a pretty good shot of some rain and thunderstorms. I know the pilots don't like that, but I do. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at the satellite picture this morning. First visible shots just now coming in. Look at the rain and thunderstorms north of I-40 all the way back into southeast New Mexico. Folks, these are moving slowly south and east, as you can see on the loop. Here's what it looks like on radar. I'm on the KTLX site, the National Weather Service radar for Oklahoma City area. The heaviest rain just south of Tulsa, mainly though just moderate to light rain, but later on today along that cold front could see a line of thunderstorms go up right along I-40 and continue to move on southward. Now here's a rather interesting feature I'm going to show you today. The white area with the contours is where the cap does not exist. For instance, New Mexico, Gulf of Mexico, parts of southeast Texas. The blue shading, the cap is in place right now. So you say, well, Daryl, why is it raining if there's a cap? These storms on the radar are setting on top of the cap. It's unstable from the cap up, so that's what we call elevated thunderstorms. They can get just as strong and just as severe, but the chance of a tornado happening with that situation pretty well slim to none. Occasionally it might happen, but you could get some downburst type thunderstorms in the afternoon hours. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at the big screen up here. Prop Strike Cafe, 7 a.m. until 3 p.m. Luncheon, breakfast, new days, Tuesday through Saturday, and breakfast is one of my favorite meals all day long. That means from 7 until 3. So come in and check out the Prop Strike Cafe at North Texas Airport. All right, there's your infrared sat this morning, and the cool front is laying right there. It's got a little low on it, sitting right out here, so getting a little bit of overrunning. So there's where all your thunderstorms are. And then here comes the upper level system right back here, which that will fire more thunderstorms later on this afternoon. There you can see the frontal boundary. Now that little prefrontal trough is what's going down through West Texas, but that seems to be a good focus point for showers and thunderstorms as well. Now in the upper levels, very easy to see the shortwave trough that is coming through eastern New Mexico at the present time. All of this right here is what we call PVA, positive vorticity advection, that causes the air to rise. Rising air on a cold front with lots of humidity and unstable atmosphere. I'm looking for a pretty good chance of rain beginning here at the airport, probably after about 6 p.m. tonight. And this thing isn't going to be moving very fast at all. Radcast 5000 picked up on the same scenario. Showers and thunderstorms this afternoon in a band all along the cold front, and a little bit of activity. This could be a tropical disturbance in the formation down in the Gulf of Mexico. The marginal risk over most of Oklahoma today. What does that mean? That means thunderstorms could approach 58 miles per hour with 3/4 inch hail. I don't think we'll get much more than that, but if you get one runaway thunderstorm, be aware of that. By tomorrow, cool front sags a little bit farther south, then it's going to stall out, so it's going to hang around right on to the weekend. So for today, hot, humid, few storms, winds 10 to 15. Tomorrow, not as hot, but still a few to scattered storms and rather light winds. There's your 7-day outlook. I went ahead and put storms in all the way through Tuesday of next week because that big upper level high is being eroded away in the upper atmosphere. So just a hot air mass will keep the air quite unstable. Well, always join us here at U.S. Aviation for our weather broadcast every day. Send the photos into my email. I'll be glad to put them on the air for you. And have a great day. I hope we get some rain and cooler air. Stay tuned. We'll keep you advised.